I'm Vanessa. I'm a general manager for the Brothers of Gutters. So we are a gutter company. We specialize in installations of gutters, aluminum and in copper, and we can do any color just to match anyone's house. We use 032 coil, so that's what you use to make the actual gutter. It's thicker than what you use in Miami. So your gutter is going to hold a lot more water and it's not going to be flimsy. We use a very good material. So we definitely stand out from everybody else. Our customer service is beyond what any other company can offer you. We are part of a franchise. We're backed up by 50 years of experience. We have a whole corporation that stands behind us. We have warranty for 20 years on materials and 5 years for labor with the option of 10-year labor warranty. So they can go on our website, brothersgutters.com. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram as Brothers Gutters Miami. And they can always give us a call at 786-809-0388.